Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make a flyable PDF gift certificate using AI and Acrobat PDF. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the Gemini and type the prompt, select the image, design a blank gift certificate without mockup full page landscape A4 size and hit enter. Now download this gift certificate. Now open the Adobe Photoshop. Now open this certificate into the Adobe Photoshop and now crop the image and save. Now go to the Adobe Acrobat Pro and open this gift certificate into the Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now go to the Tools menu, click the Prepare From. Now check the My Flyable Feed field created automatically. Now you can edit this field or remove. Now save the form again. Now you can add your text. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.